This is what you call getting right in it, guy.
I realize that you video when you do this. Is that because you get sued? Or do I get sued? Who gets sued here?
No one gets sued. We're all friends here, Jags.
Oh, okay.
We're all friends. Well, most of us are.
I don't know how to sue.
I got a couple enemies. Yeah, I don't either. It sounds expensive. It sounds expensive to do that. What's up, Sean?
Hi.
How's it going?
Hey, pal. Everything's great.
Yeah?
Everything great with you?
Do you think Mother Nature's going to cooperate with us?
Mother Nature's gone.
She's done?
Yeah, she's
You
done.
have banished her for the rest of the evening?
Yes.
My man.
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah.
We're good.
I agree.
It's going to be a beautiful day. Everyone's going to behave. And everyone's going to be happy.
Wow. That's the optimism's just oozing off of you. Please work this time. Yo. Tall guy with the long arms. Can you help me out? Hold on. Yeah, I think. I want to say yes, but I can't.
Climb over the hood, put it in.
That's why I came, because I'm going to fuck.
Hey, you got to take the sticky off.
Douglas. All right. You let me know when you're ready, guy. I'm here for you. All right, bro.
Anyway, let's watch him struggle.
I'm going to take the 94. Heather took PJ Evans, and I'm taking the 94. I forgot about Josh Hedges. We should have put a camera on this car. That's my bad. Reverse order, guys. 17 already got picked. So, Brent picked the 17. Remy, oh no, Brent picked the 93. Remy picked the 17. Bonsa picked Josh Hedges. Heather picked the 12, and I picked the 94.
I'll take the 5.
Yeah, the leader? Good call. Eventually. This over here, this could get messy over there in turn 3. Way back there. Wow. Oh boy. Holy crap. Get him out of there. Get out of there, dude. Come on, Douglas. Get out of there, brother.
1 and 2 walk. He needs to hurry up.
Come on, dude. Holy crap.
That's bad. That happens?
Oh, thank God.
Doug Curry is out of the car, ladies and gentlemen. Doug Curry is out of the car. All I heard was...
Yeah, that was nuts. What?
So, who's that in the 91?
That's Bob Potter.
Oh.
Yep.
That's the 91 or 51?
Yes, that was Doug Curry. That picture was in the 31. He drove for the, say again? Wow. Holy crap.
Quick and efficient, get that fire under control. Make it
Man, that's crazy. That's, I believe, Doug Curry's first time out in that late model.
Oh.
Yep.
It sounded like a...
Like it's like a...
tire.
Yeah, I don't know if he lost the tire and went in, or if the pop was him hitting the wall and like his throttle stuck or something, you know? I hope those two bumper cams are still going.
Really think we'll be dead?
Wow. Palmer not messing around. Two laps to go. 2 laps to go. Oh, what's up with Ray? Ray's braking. Wow. Holy crap. That's nuts. I don't know what happened.
The safety devices, and out of the car, win number 95 in his career, Jason Palmer. And Jason, 95 wins. What does it all mean to you and the way you finished tonight in the late model main event?
Well, we got at least 5 more to go. That's the first thing I think of. Thank you very much. No, we got this thing turning last week, and this thing was just lights out tonight. This is the car that I remember driving. This thing is just so fast. You could just drive as hard as you want to the corner, and it just turns. So I'm pretty stoked to run the rest of the year. The first few weeks they were pretty frustrating when the thing wasn't turning, and we were just really struggling. But I'm happy now. I'm actually having fun again. A lot of people to thank: the Pocho family, Sign Pro, CWPM, Mayo 4 Brothers, Island Cove Marine and Yacht Sales, Whiteout Communications, Kenega Tire, Gallagher Buick GMC, Green Construction Management. My wife's here with my kids tonight. This is actually the first race I think this year they've come to watch, so pretty excited to put it in victory lane.
turning.
Yeah, we've been struggling. We took a few years off, and we came back, and these things changed a little bit. The car's still not right on where I want it, but we're definitely gaining on it. Probably had a third place car. Ray had some misfortune, but it is what it is. At the end of the race, when it's over, wherever you are is what you got. I want to thank my brother and Grant. Small crew, we struggled all day because it rained and we started late and they pushed the schedule, and I just wanted to tell them guys that I appreciate it. It feels good to get back up on the podium. Maybe we can get the monkey off my back. Actually, I think the 5 helped me, my old number, because I had the 27 on there and it wasn't working.
Now over the last 22 rounds, we're able to pick up a podium here at the Speedbowl.
Yeah, thank you. First and foremost, I want to thank Sean Foster and everybody here at the Speedbowl to get this place ready today in the weather.
Who's the folks that assist each and every week on the 29?
First and foremost, I got to thank my brother Jeremy. None of this would be possible without him. My wife Allie, Jimmy Kuhn for helping me set this thing up. We still got a little work to do, but I think we'll get there.
I know who you're picking. I'm picking Monahan.
You know who I'm picking, huh? All right, so I'm gonna try to stump you then if you think you're just so smart there, buddy. I am going to pick the 11.
Do it.
All right. Look how Ricky's rodding it up here with the Riverhead race on his phone.
There's a lot of trucks tonight.
There is a good feeling. Watson says, I thought you got kicked out. Kyle Giro. Outside's got the move along, huh? All right. Oh boy. Top 3 heavy hitters right on top. Whoa, 3 wide for the lead. Come on. Wow. Wow.
Out of nowhere on the outside.
Yeah, that dude's fast. Duking it out, the big ones. Huh? Yeah, that's French pick. Oh, Brody, come on. Great battle for the lead. Get out of the way, well played. And Ryan gonna go crossover. Oh-ho! 30.
41.
84, yes. The 41, oh yeah, that's Toby Leonard, yes. Here we go!
3 wide, sideways.
Todd Taylor, making stuff happen. Oh, turn one. Oh! We might have lost the camera on that one. Here we go. Brody, man, forget about it. He's trying to get me a podium. 5 to go, 5 laps to go. My man Brody by a full straightaway. Peace out.
Hey, Brody.
To lead early in this thing and then take it off. Several restarts later, he goes to victory lane. Helmets off, safety gear coming off, and Brody Monahan will be exiting this beautiful number 31 machine.
Got my hat? What do you think?
Huh?
What do you think? Do I look good?
You stunk up the show.
Thank you. I don't know, I feel like we put tires on today. We kind of missed it tonight in the feature. Truck was a little off, a little free. But, you know, we made it work. One restart wasn't as good as the rest of them, so we were hanging on. But last restart was good, and we were able to pull away.
Yeah, I know the 31 did look good. You had some great challenges in the beginning, getting around the 19 and such, but 47 was coming on strong. You were able to hold them off, and man, you got to feel really good about that.
Yeah, man, there's nothing but great competitors out here, and it's amazing to actually be 4 in a row in this division. It's something that I never would have thought I would have been able to do, so I don't know, it's pretty amazing to me.
Really looking good, and tonight running really well.
Yeah, I mean, we had to take a little break this season. My daughters are all playing softball, and they took priority to racing, so Chris and I kind of parked our trucks to begin the season, and you know, he did some family stuff, I did, and that ended, and it was nice. My daughter's like, you need to go race, Dad, you're getting grumpy. So, so here we are.
You did a great job, man. The 47 was coming out strong. I know you got a lot of people you want to thank, but it has to feel pretty good.
Yeah, it feels phenomenal. I mean, we showed up here. This thing is sitting in the trailer for over a month, and we got to go on the tour next week. And I just said, you know, let's go shake it down. So we had nothing but problems, threw plugs and everything at it. And I got to thank Kenny Berry for Spafco Race Chassis. He lent us a car rare tonight. All the problems went away, and very thankful for him. The Gator family, Bo Norman, Jeff Santos. I want to wish my crew chief, it's his wedding anniversary today. He had to come to Speedbowl, so he's got a great wife.
Yeah, I thought for a couple laps we might have had something for Brody on the outside, but that went away pretty quick. Thought I was going to hold on for a second. That didn't last pretty long. So I'll take a third after last week.